before you say medic.
Robo Medics!
All right.
Good
job.
So I'll set your timer, okay?
Okay.
You guys ready?
Videotape this, but not
Ready?
published.
Here we go.
Hello, we are the Robo Medics team. We chose the brain as the body part to talk about. Did you know that humans have the largest brain of all living things in the animal world? The brain is made up of very soft tissue connected by a hard shell, the skull.
The soft brain substance is made up of neurons. The dendrites receive information to be processed. The cell body is the central processing unit. The axons transmit information for the action to be performed.
The brain allows us to do many functions such as think, move, breathe, feel hungry, and form impressions. The parietal lobe helps with speech and movement. The frontal lobe helps us think and make sense. The occipital lobe helps with vision. The temporal lobe helps with hearing and memory. The cerebellum helps with balance. The brainstem helps with reading, heartbeat, and body temperature.
The brain is affected by many diseases. A few examples are stroke, Alzheimer's disease, and brain death. A stroke occurs when blood is unable to reach the brain cells due to bleeding or clot. Alzheimer's disease is an Alzheimer's disease, and this disease the brain forgets what brain tumor. Brain tumors when extra tissue squishes the brain cells.
Now let's talk about the most important brain disease of all, brain injury. A fracture is when the skull is cracked or broken. A coup injury occurs when the brain gets bruised as it jiggles forwards and hits the hard skull. A contra-coup injury. Here, the brain gets bruised when it jiggles backwards and hits the hard skull. Bruising of the brain is called a concussion.
Every 15 seconds, someone in the U.S. suffers traumatic brain injury. Tackles in football and headers in soccer are frequent causes of concussions. Frequent concussions can cause permanent damage to neurons. If hurt, neurons cannot grow back.
The best way to treat brain injury is to prevent it.
Helmets, seatbelts, car seats, and airbags are all proven to reduce brain injury. Wearing a helmet is the single most effective way to protect our brain from injury. However, current available helmets have many problems such as they're hard on the head, the buckle snap pinches the skin on the chin, most children don't like their ears cut, and it gets sweaty under the helmet making hair sticky. We put our brains together to come up with some solutions to these problems. My solution is a crash detection device that sends a signal to a satellite in space that sends a signal to a hospital or your home.
My design is that the top part is a really hard plastic, and if that doesn't work, there's really soft material that actually absorbs it. This is a head mask visor, so if you have a face plant, you won't get as hurt. And it's Velcro, so it doesn't pinch your skin. And the X is the filter for little water rocks.
My helmet has an airbag which gets activated when impact.
My design is an earmuff that also protect your ear on cold days and make your ear more comfortable. And my visor will go up and down if you need it or don't.
My helmet has an inner helmet and an outer helmet, so two helmets. And then in the inside between
visor, because if you fall on a face plant, you won't get hurt as much.
My idea is a clip-on chin strap so it does not pinch the skin when you're putting it on. It snaps on like a football.
You guys are at 5 minutes, so.
For research, we looked in newspapers and articles and found stuff about it.
We went to Nationwide Hospital to check out like MRIs and CAT scans.
We
We
got
asked doctors.
We also gathered facts from on the web and we researched.
And we had a doctor to help us research most of our
Do we have any questions?
What's the doctor's name?
jam.
Okay.
His mom.
Okay. And where does she work?
Nationwide.
Nationwide? Oh, at Children's Hospital?
Yeah.
That was part of the tour?
Yeah.
Okay.
That was your good check. I mean, that was interesting.
So, yeah, you guys saw CAT scans and MRIs and stuff?
Yeah. They're really interesting.
Yeah.
I think.
So, you each came up with a helmet. Did you present this idea to someone at Children's Hospital or a different expert?
Oh no, because
We didn't have the whole
Yeah.
thing finished.
I see.
Yeah.
So did you present your helmets to anyone?
We kind of practiced presenting all this stuff. We presented like
My dad, like my dad's out there, he doesn't usually come, and there's some judges, like a lot of judges, they came to watch it.
we told some of our
Some of our parents would like act like they were judges, and we present to them.
Good. So you presented the skit to practice to parents and any other FLL teams or anything like that, other judges?
So one of the cool things is that you guys have identified a problem and then you have a bunch of different solutions, right? I wonder if you guys as a team, if you were gonna pick one solution that could help this problem, preventing brain injury?
Yeah, we really think that we should take everyone's idea and put it into one helmet. So
Yeah.
we're working on that.
And that's gonna be our next
steps.
But first, we're gonna test all these ideas because if one just has a slight problem, then a helmet might not be safe for other children.
So instead of just making the thing a little bit better, you wanna make it a lot better with all of your ideas,
perfect.
which is very
At first,
cool.
we would like probably add one helmet, then add another helmet on, and then add others.
We would probably add this one and these songs and like put like an additional visor and maybe soft tissue here and maybe Velcro and like just kind of combine the similarities and make another similarity.
Okay. That would be a really good idea. Like the state work on having one solution, one helmet.
Right, and it can include all of, I agree, it can include all of these different ideas that you guys have all contributed to. That's
Right.
a really cool part of this project.
See if you can have the shock absorbers and the airbag.
And the early notification.
Or make decisions.
Mine would be out of an motion sensor, which would be at the back of the helmet. So if it just randomly stops without any G-forces, if it goes over like 1 G-force, it will immediately cross. Like if you're dirt biking, it would still go on because it gets activated upon impact.
So did you do research about the testing of different helmets and the impact?
Yeah.
We went on websites and we like see how helmets are made.
Okay.
If you'd like, we have a couple of pictures.
Yeah, I would take a look
What are you
at this,
mostly
guys.
interested
So I
in?
think we're,
Are you talking about bike helmets?
Mostly bike helmets. But we'll take like the football helmets combined into bike because it clips onto your skin right now. But as football players, they put it at the side. Yeah, they
Is
use
this
a
all
button
Children's Hospital or
to take
different?
the strip.
This is actually the children's hospital. This is just outside here.
Me getting
All
hit by
this
my
is
bike
from
helmet. Okay, that's smart.
You did a super presentation.
Yeah,
That was
I
great,
love
you guys.
that presentation. That was fun to watch. Who made that?
It's our whole team's idea.
Wow.
Super.
thumbs up. Good work, guys. You can be
Yeah.
very proud of your presentation.
Well done.
It is I think it's over here.
It showed.
Cool.
Okay.
I'm gonna pass
What
this
grade are
along.
you guys in?
We're in
In
fourth
fourth
and
and
fifth.
I'm in fourth.
Okay.
Shiv, I'm in
Wow.
fifth.
Do the other kids
Have
have to
you,
see
is
your
this your
laptop?
first year or you've been on?
It's my second year.
My second year.
First.
I'm in my first.
Wow. Well, this is excellent.
Good work. So we're at
Nice
10
job.
minutes, guys. Great job.
Thank you.
You just want to
Thank you.
Can we keep this for a little bit?
Yeah, you can keep it forever.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Great. Thank you. Good job.
Excellent. Nice
Thank you,
nice
guys.
job.
Good job.
Nice
Good
job.
job.
Have a
Take
great
care.
day.
Good work.
Good luck with your robot team.
Good work.
Thank you.
Take care.
Nice meeting
Nice
you.
job.
Nice meeting you.
Nice
Nice
meeting
job.
you. Nice job. boys.
Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you.
Good job.
Thank you.
Have
Nice
fun.
job.
Nice job. Don't forget
Your
your
stuff.
job. Get your stuff.